Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I will show you how you can pin and unpin apps from the Start menu in Windows 11, and this works for Windows 10 as well. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to go to the Start menu, and then, for example, if you wanted to unpin Edge from your Start menu, you just right-click on it, and then you click Unpin from Start. And let's say there's an app that you would like to pin on your start menu. You can just search for that app and then you can right click on it and then you can pin to your start menu. So when you go to your start menu, you can see this arrow here. You can see the next page and you can see that your app is pinned on your start menu. And let's say that you wanted this app to be on the first page of your start menu. All you have to do is to just drag and drop it upwards, and then you can place it anywhere on your start menu. So that is how you pin or unpin apps to your start menu. I hope this video was helpful for you in showing you how you can add and remove apps from your start menu. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.